Energy is the essence of life. It's what drives us to wake up in the morning with enthusiasm and excitement, ready to embrace the day ahead. Protecting and preserving this energy is crucial for a fulfilling life. Here are 5 common areas where you may be experiencing energy leaks and how to regain them. Little everyday distractions. Sometimes it's the tiny things that trip us up the most, and they can slowly drain away the power you have to turn your dreams into reality. Imagine you're saving up to buy something big, like a car or a house. If you spend a little here and a little there on small stuff, soon you'll find you don't have enough for what you truly want. In the same way, when you get caught up in daily distractions, you lose focus and energy that you could have used to make your dreams come true. It's easy to get caught up in things that aren't really that important. That news headline that upsets you and makes you angry. The rude comment someone makes that causes a fight. The sneaky words meant to tickle your ego and pull you into drama. You get caught in a traffic jam and it drains your spirit, making you feel like life is terrible. These may look like small problems, but they're like tiny leaks in a boat. They slowly chip away at your positive energy and focus. Before you know it, they've piled up, and you're feeling too drained to go after what you truly want. Remember, life's big tragedies usually don't come out of nowhere. They're often the result of lots of little things that add up over time, making you slip up in a big way eventually. Lesson: small moments matter. At the end of the day, when you look back on your life, it's often the small, simple moments that stick with you. The beautiful sunset, that ice cream date with someone you love, or the warm smile from a grandparent when you were a kid. Those tiny moments can either lift you up or bring you down. They have the power to bring you closer to your dreams or push them farther away. So don't underestimate the small stuff. Pay attention to the little distractions that are sapping your energy. Start taking back control of your focus and your life, one small moment at a time. Remember, the tiny pieces make up the big picture. Every drop counts in filling the bucket of your dreams. Take charge, and don't let the little leaks drain your power. Your dreams are too important for that. Learn to say no. It's amazing how a 2-letter word like no can hold so much power. From when we're young, society often teaches us that saying no means you're a bad friend, a poor team player, or an uncaring family member. But here's the catch. Learning to say no is actually one of the most important steps you can take to guard your energy and keep your focus on what truly matters. Think about it this way. You wouldn't let anyone just walk into your house and take your belongings, would you? Your energy is even more precious than material things. It's the fuel that drives you toward your dreams. When you say yes to things that stress you out or spread you too thin, you're essentially giving away bits of that fuel. How are you supposed to reach your destination if you're constantly running on empty? If saying no feels daunting, start small. The next time someone asks you for a favor that you really don't have time for, politely decline. If you're invited to an event that you know will leave you drained and stressed, it's okay to sit it out. You don't have to make giant leaps all at once. Start with little things, and as you become more comfortable, you can tackle bigger commitments that aren't serving you. Once you start to say no to things that don't align with your goals or drain your energy, you'll find that you have more time and focus for the things that do. Your path will become clearer, and you'll make progress faster than you ever thought possible. Here's the bottom line. Saying no isn't about being selfish or uncaring. It's about setting boundaries. Just like a fence around a beautiful garden keeps out pests and allows the flowers to bloom, your boundaries protect your energy and create the space for your dreams to flourish. Energy vampires. Sometimes, being the good person you are, you want to help everyone. You might think you're doing a good deed, but hold on. Helping the wrong people might be eating away at your ability to make your dreams a reality. I'm not saying don't help people. I'm saying be picky about who you help. Believe it or not, sometimes the people closest to us can be the biggest drains on our energy. They're like vampires that slowly suck the energy out of you. Before you know it, you're left feeling drained and lifeless. Have you ever tried to give advice to a friend or family member, only to have them nitpick what you're saying? Like, you're trying to help them plan their day better, but instead of listening to you, they argue about small details. They're not really listening. They're just looking for something to argue about. This kind of behavior sucks away at your time, your energy, and your patience. It's a slow drain, not a sudden hit. These people don't deplete your energy all at once. They siphon it bit by bit, like vampires feeding in the shadows. When this happens over and over again, you might find that you don't have the energy or focus to go after your own dreams and goals. Lesson: spot the vampires and take action. Nobody needs vampires in their life, and you don't need energy vampires in your circle. So what do? First, identify who these people are. Know who drains your energy when you're just trying to help. Then, limit your time with them. It's not about cutting people out of your life entirely. It's about protecting your energy. Your dreams are too big and too important to let anyone drain the life out of them. The trap of misguided help. You might remember the age-old wisdom from the Bible that says, "Take the log out of your eye first, and then you will see well to take the speck out of your brother's eye." What this means in today's world is pretty simple. Fix your own problems before you rush to help someone else with theirs. You see, your energy is like a bank account. If you keep spending it on things that aren't helping you grow, you'll end up broke. And just like you can't lend money when your account is empty, you can't truly help others when you're struggling with the same issues yourself. Let's say you're trying to give advice on money while you're broke. How does that make sense? Wouldn't your energy be better spent figuring out how to fix your own financial situation first? Once you've got that sorted, you can share your journey and the lessons you've learned with others who are facing the same challenges. Lesson: help yourself before you help others. Think about when you're on an airplane and they tell you to put on your own oxygen mask before helping others. There's a reason for that. If you run out of air, you can't help anyone else. The same principle applies to life. Before you go out solving other people's problems, make sure you've got your own life in order. Once you've conquered your own mountains, you're in a much better position to guide others over theirs. So stop wasting precious energy on problems you haven't solved yourself. Focus on your own journey first. Carrying the weight of the past. Imagine this. You're running a race, but you're carrying a heavy backpack filled with rocks. With each step, you feel the weight pulling you down. You look around, and you see others running freely, making progress, while you're struggling just to take the next step. That heavy backpack is like the past you're clinging to, and it's keeping you from reaching the finish line, your dreams. Life is like that race. When we hang on to past regrets, failures, or hurts, we're carrying around emotional baggage that slows us down. It's like having an energy leak in the backpack of your life. The energy you could be using to achieve your dreams is instead being used to carry around this dead weight. Here's the solution. Let it go. Yes, I know, easier said than done, but the beauty of letting go is that it frees up so much positive energy, which you can use right now, in the present moment. You might be wondering, how do I let go? Start by forgiving others and yourself. Understand that everyone is doing their best with what they know, including you. Then, choose to focus on the lessons rather than the disappointments. What have your experiences taught you? What wisdom have you gained? Hold on to that and release the rest. Next, start replacing old, limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Change "I can't" to "I can." "I'm not worthy" to "I am worthy." Words are powerful. They shape our reality. Choose yours wisely. And remember, letting go doesn't mean forgetting or saying that what happened was okay. It means freeing yourself from the hold the past has on you, so you can use all your energy to manifest your dreams today. I hope this video resonates with you. If you do, please consider sharing with your friends and loved ones who might benefit from the video. I wish you a beautiful day.